I'm Will Coleman and welcome back to Haven's Kitchen. Today I'm making a tangy barbecue potato salad. And potato salad is one of my favorites, so I'm really excited. Most potato salads have a mayo base, which makes a creamy dressing, though we're switching things up a little bit and making a German-style potato salad with apple cider vinegar, our tangy barbecue sauce, some Dijon mustard. It's gonna be great, and I think you're gonna love it. If this German-style potato salad sounds good to you, be sure to subscribe to our channel to see future videos. This recipe comes together pretty quickly, and I went ahead and cooked my potatoes already. So all I have to do is slice my potatoes, put them into my bowl, and mix them with all my ingredients. All right, we're gonna quarter these potatoes into bite-sized pieces and toss them right into my big bowl. I've went ahead and sliced my potatoes into quarters. Now I'm going to chop up my eggs into bite-sized pieces as well. So now that I have my eggs and potatoes all together, I'm gonna season it with some salt. I like to do a little heavy on the salt because potatoes tend to be a bit bland. A splash of apple cider vinegar for a bit of tanginess. All right, now I'm gonna toss it together. Now I'm gonna add my Dijon mustard. And you know I can't miss out on my tangy barbecue sauce. And even though there's no mayo, it's still a pretty creamy dressing. And that apple cider vinegar and tangy barbecue sauce is gonna add a nice punch of flavor that your guests may not expect, but they sure will love it. I'm gonna chop up some scallions for my garnish to add a nice, bright, vibrant color, and of course, some good flavor. All right, let's put our potato salad into a nice big serving bowl. All right, let's do a final drizzle of more tangy barbecue sauce. Add our scallions. And we're all set with our tangy barbecue potato salad. If you've enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for future videos. For the full recipe and a textable shopping list, click the link below. Thanks for watching and be sure to cook happy.